So this morning I'm with Leo Raudys, who's the CEO of Call2Recycle, the US collection and recycle organization. Good morning, Leo. Welcome back.
Good morning.
Would you like to just start by reminding us of the scope of Call2Recycle?
Sure. Call2Recycle, it's a nonprofit organization that's been in operation since 1994, so it's our 30th year. Mm-hmm. And we are the largest collection and recycling program in the United States for batteries. Mm-hmm. And we operate at over 16,000 collection sites, and we're funded by manufacturers who put batteries into the market to responsibly collect their materials when they're done.
Mm-hmm. And what is the tendency at the moment in the US for battery recycling?
Well, the tendency is really a lot of growth. So we're seeing a tremendous amount of interest on the part of policymakers and people who are interested in improving the safety of waste handling facilities to collect more batteries and to properly recycle them. So it's been a pretty significant change over the last 18 months in particular.
But you think this represents progression? Market awareness is improving, for example?
Very much so on both fronts. What's driving it really is the issue of fire risk at waste handling facilities. And because of that, we're seeing just a wave of regulatory activity. To put it into context, over the last few years, we have serviced about 1 million people in fully regulated markets. Within the next 2 years, it's going to jump up to 61 million people that are going to have recycling services available to them.
And do you have a figure in tonnage to give to us today?
We do. We estimate that, well, currently we collect about 8 million pounds of rechargeable and primary batteries per year. We anticipate that within 2 years, it'll probably jump to about 35 million to 40 million pounds.
Mm-hmm. So the market is growing, hence the need as well for legislation. You're here in Europe, in Switzerland today, in Basel, at the International Battery Recycling Conference. Are you here to learn how things are progressing in Europe as well?
Absolutely. The way we view it is Europe is always at the forefront of what happens on sort of all these issues. And so we look to folks in Europe to just understand how to do this better and what's coming basically to the United States. So it's a great opportunity. ICBR is always a fantastic way to just learn and grow and network and find new opportunities to better recycle materials, and it's been great.
Very happy to hear that. So for the future of the market in the US, you're positive about continued growth and continued awareness? We
are. Actually, over the last 2 years, we've been seeing this coming. So we've been steadily growing out our network. We used to have only probably 2 sorters in operation. We expect that that's going to triple over the next year. Mm-hmm. And the same on the processing side. So yes, absolutely. It's a period of pretty aggressive growth.
And do you think that we could imagine at some point in the future mirror sort of legislation in the US and in the EU?
I don't know about that. I think it's always going to be very difficult to have national legislation in the United States. Most of the activity has typically happened at the state level, and I expect that's going to continue.
Okay. Well, we wish you lots more good contacts at ICBR. Thank you, Leo.
Thank you.